Right now, we're seeing an interesting divergence in sentiment and momentum, with a sentiment score of plus 0.28 and a momentum of minus 0.42. This suggests that while sentiment is slightly positive, the underlying momentum is pulling in the opposite direction. Historically, this kind of split often indicates a potential reversal, or a lack of conviction in current trends. Our API returns nuanced insights into investment sentiment, including detailed semantic clusters that help you understand the context behind the numbers. You could leverage this data to refine your trading algorithms, adjusting for this sentiment momentum divergence to better anticipate market movements. Want to dig deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.